Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will cover button element, and that is very simple. So what we need to do is, so for example, if you want to create a button, right? We'll just try to, maybe this is my submit button, right? And I'll just make it bold, and I'll just give, let's say for example, after clicking on this button, there is a redirect, right? I just want to redirect to somewhere. So I'll just add a link. I'll just add maybe google.com. I'll apply and let's preview it. And this is one type of button I just created. It's very simple. If I want to create maybe another button example, another button type, okay, and maybe this time I want this is already bold, and maybe I will just make it italic also, right? Let's preview it. So this is, I think I have not given link. Some CTA should happen. Let's preview it. And this is another. This time what I will do, I'll just button, but maybe I'll just not make it bold. And so italic, and maybe I'll just write button. I think bold one I have already taken, but still. Yes. So using playing around with just the bold and italics, we can have different type of buttons. That's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.